This is a pilot jet that fits in the 30mm Oco. It's like that. I have it in the other room. I'm cleaning it. But this is why when you get a carburetor, you want to go through and check everything. Now these jets are even numbered. I mean, they're all numbered. But what you want to do is you want to take your jet, look up into the sun somewhere. All right, see? It's totally dark, black, nothing there. It's clogged. This controls your first 5% of throttle. So what I like to do is get Gibson, or you can get any of them. Guitar strings are really good for this. I imagine piano strings to work if you have something like that. I'm going to see if I can do this without looking at it. But you take the guitar string like this and this. You want to be real careful. Stick it down the bung hole. Push. It may go through, it may not. Like this one won't go through. It should go through. Should. That's odd. But yeah, this has to be clean. There's just no way about it. No way around it. Well, I'm going to have to get this clean with 2 hands with something, and then see what I can do. Also, I've heard people use wire brushes. The wires are really long and they'll stick down in there, but we'll see. Okay.